Welcome to Kampala, the vibrant heart of Uganda. In this quick tour, experience the bustling streets, colorful market, and warm smile that make this city truly unique. Join me as we explore the energy, culture, and charm of Kampala. So let's dive in.
I have a selfie, guys, showing you this amazing view. Wow, this is amazing, right? Rolex is just a watch, but here Rolex is a food, okay? So we're gonna try the Ugandan Rolex. But this is nice, which they usually consume for breakfast, guys. It's a little bit heavy to eat. That is why people or local people here love to eat it, guys, because like here in Africa or Uganda, you can say, people need heavy food, guys, especially in the morning, because people have a lot of work to do. But I think if they have added kind of a bit of sauce, whatever sauce, tomato sauce or mayonnaise sauce, then it will be more juicy.